I'm Dave Knight with the Dave Knight Real Estate Team, and we love being a real estate resource for people. Today's question comes from the selling side, and it is, when can I start packing my boxes? So when a seller goes on the market, they receive offers, they get really excited, and they start packing their boxes. It's very important that the seller not pack their boxes and really destage the house and to start making it look like a mess until all contingencies are removed. Here's why. If the seller is packing up all their boxes and destaging it, basically tearing apart the presentation that was used when buyers were coming through, and the buyer sees that, and the buyer's agent sees that when they're doing their inspection, they're going to realize that they're in a stronger position of power because the seller has mentally been moving forward with their move. So the seller wants to keep the property as it is and not start packing up boxes and destaging until all contingencies are removed. Once the buyer has done that and they've removed all contingencies, that is the safest point where the seller should begin packing up their boxes, destaging, having any work done on the property. Sometimes sellers will, without proper guidance, they'll start destaging the property. They'll start getting it ready for closing when the buyer hasn't removed all contingencies. And the more you think about it, the more it makes sense. When you hire a realtor, you're hiring a professional negotiator. When a professional negotiator sees that a seller is mentally moving forward, destaging, it shows them that in the seller's mind, the deal's already moving forward. It gives the buyer a better opportunity to ask for a lot in repairs or some type of price reduction for any problems with the property and probably get it. So hopefully this helps answer your question. You don't want to destage, you don't want to pack up boxes, you don't want to do any work on the property until all contingencies are removed. Hope this answers your question. Make it a great day. We'll see you on the next video.